Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight I'll be talking about how you can use the ChatGPT login that you'll be getting. Yes, so what you need to do is just download ChatGPT on either your phone or you use the web version or you use it on your PC. Either one works. Like this ChatGPT Plus is like 4.0 version. Let me open it for you now. You're going to see like this is 4.0, 4.5. You have access to all these things, meaning that you can now use it for a lot of stuff that I want to use. So now you know that there's just a little challenge here. You know that this thing is group by stuff, meaning that you're not the only one that have access to it. So a lot of people are always having this issue that of personalization, like they don't want their stuff to be outside for everyone to see, or they don't want people to know that okay, they are using, they are creating this particular stuff with ChatGPT. So what you need to do is to, like, these people, they maybe they plan that okay, they notice that people shared something like that, so there's something called folder. So you come to this place now, you see something like move to project, or is it project or folder? Now you are going to say that will be to like this particular one, move to project. Let's say you are chatting with ChatGPT, you don't want this content to be in issue, like this particular account I just paid right now, I have not used it at all, I have not created any content there. If you check the history here, like if you see chat, you're not going to see anything. Like if you check the library, it's still blank, nothing is there. You can see my images, view all of your images made with ChatGPT in one place. Like this library is for place in like everything that you've done on the pro account, but currently I've not used it for anything. It's still new, you get. So what you need to do is that you create project. You just click on this add project. First of all, let's say your name is like Mike here, for example. You can just name it MKO, or let's say Mike or MKE or anything. Like create project. What this will help you to do is that this one will be like, this project will be specifically for you alone. Others will not be able to use that. Others will not use these things. Then even others might not even know what it is. And especially for those that have seen this video, or those that are getting this, they should not open other people's folder. Just use your folder. So you can create as many folders as possible. I've gotten a lot of logins for this, like the fourth one that I've gotten. So you just click on this project. Let's say you are another user that is watching this video and your name is like, let's say, Daniel, for example. Let's say Daniel. So Dan, you just create project. So let's say Daniel and Michael is using this same login. Once you log into your ChatGPT, I will show you how you can log in. You just come to your project, you open Dan like this. You can see Dan is here. Like you just chat it. Everything you are doing will be inside this project. It will not be like the history, everything will not be in the public. You get it to be under that particular project. So if you are the third person that is using this login, like we are going to share this login to like 10 persons. You get, so you click on this project, add your own project, and you do it. So that's how to do it, so that your project and everything will not be in public, and you'll be able to continue your conversation, so that when someone just enters ChatGPT and ask questions randomly, it will not disturb what you have been asking. Like your history and every other stuff will be there. You get, so you make sure you are using projects, not the open space like this. Not like, let's say you come to ChatGPT now, like you can say, what can I help you with? Don't use open space like this. Use projects. Just come to your project. You get, so then you can create GPT. There's something called GPT in ChatGPT Pro. You can see something like Exploit GPT. GPT is just like AI agents, or let me call it plugins, or let me call it Chrome like an extension. GPT is just like a particular AI that's built specifically for a particular purpose. Let's say I want to create a GPT that is meant for, like, I want this agent, like they are called agents, like called AI agents. Like I want this agent to be able to like give me, like say me as a CSC accredited agent now, I don't want to be brainstorming my head, or I don't want to be racking my head on CSC registration expert or any questions. So I want to create a GPT that is like, okay, anything CSC registration in Nigeria. So I just come to this Exploit GPT and scroll. I'm not sure it's on phone, but I've done it on the other logins. So there's just, like, for those that are getting this one, maybe later I'll find a way to create a video on how you can create GPT on your pro account. So why can you log in? So if you are currently using ChatGPT, like the free version, and you click on this place, you are not going to see this 4.0 or 4.5, every other stuff like this. You are just going to see the normal stuff, right? So What you need to just do is as you log out, you come to this profile like this, you sign out, you get. So then you log in. You now log in your this email login that I'm going to give you now. The name is ChatGPT. The email address is Chat Plus. So I'm going to give the email address and password. Just click on sign in and you'll be able to sign in. Sometimes they might ask for verification code because they want their platform to be secure. So they will send the code to me, then I send the code to you so that you're able to log in. So you can use this on any device. It works on any device. I have it on close like 2, 3, 4 devices here, and they are working perfectly. So you get, so that people will not be too much on each login. That's why you are getting different logins. So that once you're giving it to like 10 person, we pause it so that it will be working perfectly and there will not be like something like suspected from other logins for other devices and stuff like that. Okay, so if you want to get this login, it is instead of like paying, or if you are paying on your phone or your PC, it is 16,500 on Play Store, and if you are paying on the website, it is $20. Because if you are in Nigeria, you can reach out to us and get it for like 4,000 naira. 4,000 naira only monthly. You get, so you pay 4,000 naira monthly, or you pay like 40k for a year. You get. So then if you are outside Nigeria, like you don't have naira, so you pay like just $4. Because you pay $4 to us and you're able to give you this login. So you pay every month, right? So every month we can either change the email address or we change the password whenever we want to renew so that people can pay again. So that's just it. So if you are interested in anything AI, automations and branding, you can follow my YouTube channel. I'm going to be creating content majorly on AI, automation, marketing and sales. So follow me for more tips. Mike Accolade.